Imagine waking up tomorrow, and the biggest companies in the world no longer sell software. They sell intelligence. Intelligence you can rent, plug in, and profit from. Welcome to the trillion-dollar revolution you probably haven't heard of. It's called AI as a Service, and it's rewriting how businesses grow. What if your next business didn't sell a product, but sold a mind that works for others? Sounds crazy, right? But it's already happening, quietly, globally, and faster than anyone expected. From startups to billion-dollar brands, everyone's plugging into this new gold rush. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Because this isn't theory, this is your roadmap to cash in before the world catches up. So here's a question. What if every human expert, doctor, lawyer, accountant, had an AI version that never sleeps? Would you compete, or would you own it? That's what AI as a Service is about. Smart systems sold like Netflix subscriptions. Only instead of streaming shows, you're streaming intelligence. Think about that for a second. How do you charge when your product can think? How do you scale when your product never stops learning? That's what we're exploring today. And trust me, this wave makes SaaS look small. But first, quick heads up, I drop these AI money-making tools every week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe and click that bell. Now, let's dive in. Because once you see this, you'll never look at software the same again. Let's start with the basics. AI as a Service, or AIaaS, means companies can rent artificial intelligence instead of building it. No coding, no massive teams, no years of training models. Just plug in and go. The same way we pay for Netflix, we'll soon pay for neural networks. That's the shift. Software gave us efficiency. AI gives us decisions. And decisions are where the money lives. So where's the opportunity? Everywhere humans make predictable, repetitive, high-value decisions. That's every industry. Healthcare, law, marketing, finance, you name it. Every one of them is ripe for AI as a Service. Let me break it down simply. 10 years ago, startups built apps. 5 years ago, startups built SaaS. Now? Startups build brains. Brains that think for an industry. Brains that rent out their intelligence. And those brains become businesses. So what can you do with this? You can own a niche brain. For example, build an AI that handles all real estate client communication. Or an AI that drafts contracts for lawyers. Or one that automates claims for insurance companies. The smaller the niche, the bigger the opportunity. Because vertical AI wins. Horizontal AI competes. Here's why this matters. The old software game was about features. The new game is about insight. Whoever owns the best AI insights, owns the clients. And that's you, if you start early. Mid-video CTA, like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Let's unpack the real business model. AI as a Service means you don't just sell code. You sell outcomes. Your pricing moves from per user to per result. Instead of $10 a month, it's pay when the AI closes a deal. That's power pricing. And the margins? Insane. Because after training, your AI works infinitely. Zero burnout, zero sick days, zero limits. That's scalability on autopilot. Let's zoom out. Global spending on AI is already exploding, hundreds of billions yearly. But the real acceleration is coming from services. Not tools, not apps, but APIs of intelligence. That's the trillion-dollar wave. Think Amazon Web Services, but for brains. Instead of renting servers, you rent thinking. Imagine if you could pay $1 for a prediction that saves $1,000. That's not cost, it's leverage. And AI as a service is pure leverage. So what's your move? Step 1. Pick a niche you understand deeply. Step 2. Find one painful, repetitive task. Step 3. Find or train an AI model to do it better. Step 4. Wrap it in a simple service. Step 5. Sell it as a subscription. That's it. Don't overthink it. The winners won't be the most technical. They'll be the fastest to market with domain expertise. You don't need to build a billion-parameter model. You just need to own a problem and deliver an intelligent fix. That's your business. Let's visualize this. Picture a law firm with hundreds of documents daily. They need AI that drafts, checks, and summarizes. You provide that AI. They pay monthly. You scale by adding more clients. Each new document trains your model. The AI gets smarter. Your service gets stronger. That's the compounding advantage. That's how trillion-dollar industries grow. Let's simplify again. SaaS equals software as a service. AIaaS equals intelligence as a service. SaaS saved time. AIaaS makes decisions. SaaS gave tools. AIaaS gives answers. And that's why this model dominates. Because answers sell faster than features. Now, let's get tactical. What tools can help you start? Platforms like OpenAI, Anthropic, AWS, and Google Cloud all offer AIaaS APIs. But the real trick is in customization. Don't just call an API. Train it on niche data. That's your moat. Example: dentists. Collect anonymized X-rays plus patient notes. Train AI to flag issues faster. Offer it as a cloud service to clinics. That's real AI as a service. The same playbook works in finance, logistics, real estate, healthcare, marketing, you name it. Wherever humans repeat tasks, AIaaS replaces effort. And that's where profit lives. Let's add one more layer. Businesses love subscriptions. Predictable revenue. You love scalability. I loves data loops. Combine all three, and you've got gold. Because AI gets smarter as your revenue grows. That's exponential feedback. Traditional SaaS flattens. AIaaS compounds. Let's pause for a second. You're hearing about AI every day. But few talk about the business model behind it. Everyone's obsessed with tools. But tools die fast. Models evolve. Services persist. That's where the wealth hides. And you're early enough to catch it. Because only a handful of companies truly understand vertical AI yet. This is your window. Don't build another chatbot, build a business brain. One that solves something painful and sells itself. That's how founders will print million-dollar MRR in this decade. And it's starting right now. Let's talk edge. Why now? Compute is cheap. APIs are accessible. Data is everywhere. Demand is exploding. Timing is perfect. You just need to act. Don't wait for perfection. Prototype fast. Test on one client. Iterate. Then scale. Remember, done is better than genius. Speed beats perfection. And AI as a service rewards movers, not dreamers. Let me say it again. Rentable intelligence is the new internet. The same way the web created SaaS, AI creates AIaaS. And every industry will have its own version. So what will yours be? Finance AI? Legal AI? Medical AI? Choose your lane. Start small. Go deep. Solve one burning pain point. Wrap it as a service. Then scale like crazy. That's the Founder Framework in action. If you're serious about wealth creation in the AI era, this is it. This is your chance to build the picks and shovels of the next gold rush. AI isn't just technology, it's a business model revolution. And those who understand the shift will dominate the next decade. So here's your challenge. Pick one problem you can turn into intelligence. Build the prototype this week. Show it to one customer. Charge for access. Congrats, you just entered the AI AAS game. That's how every major founder will start in 2025. And if you want me to break down how I built mine, subscribe right now so you don't miss the next drop. Because next video, I'm showing you my full blueprint. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. You don't want to scroll past this one and regret it next year. This is your moment. The early adopters become the category kings. The watchers stay behind. Choose your side. Start now. Remember, intelligence on demand is the new oil. And you can own the well. Every business will soon rent AI. But someone has to sell that AI. That someone can be you. All it takes is curiosity and execution. You don't need permission. You just need a plan. You just heard it. Now take it. Build it. Monetize it. Because the next trillion-dollar wave won't wait. AI as a service isn't coming, it's here. You either build on it or get replaced by it. Harsh truth, but real opportunity. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Drop a comment telling me your AI idea. And of course, subscribe and click the bell. I drop these AI money-making tools every week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe. You don't want to miss tomorrow's upload. Because that one breaks everything open. It's the real secret behind automating AI income streams. I'm serious, you'll want to see it. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. So go ahead, hit subscribe. Turn on the bell. Be early. Be smart. And be the founder that builds the future. Because the AI revolution won't wait. You're already in it. The question is, will you lead it? My name's your name. This was the Founder Framework. Thanks for watching.